Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the assets. Inspect the horse's key stats and provenance because buyers care about measurable value. Once done, document pedigrees, training logs, and screenshots to prove claims. Make sure to set a clear price range with a firm minimum and a flexible top. This speeds negotiation. You should also choose a platform or venue now, whether in-game marketplace or forum, so you can list immediately and track interest without delays. Once the listing is live, promote it with targeted tags and a clear headline. You want views that convert. When you receive offers, vet buyers quickly. Request trade history, insist on intermediary escrow or moderator oversight, and confirm timing. During negotiation, stay firm on non-negotiables but trade minor perks instead of price. That preserves value. You should also prepare the transfer steps ahead. Account details, in-game timing, and confirmation messages to prevent confusion during handoff. Finalize the sale by following the platform's transfer procedure exactly. Confirm both you and the buyer complete each step and record the transaction ID. After transfer, save receipts, screenshots, and timestamped confirmations to protect yourself. If something goes wrong, payment fails, transfer stalls, or dispute arises, pause immediately, keep all messages written, and escalate to the moderator or escrow service with your documentation. One clear record often resolves disputes fast, so collect everything before concluding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.